really disturbing details to understand what that counts about. But we don't have to do that here. We just have to know, right? So free assault, that is the university's newest policy to facilitate sexual assault and rape on campus, which...
We started to record. Is that a gift
if
that you wanted? If
anyone wants to give, like, I don't know, a $25,000 Patreon gift, we'll just buy a studio.
That would be so good. We don't have...
New one. No. No. Not a parking place. So much room. There isn't when you drive right down the middle.
Right. So, skip that step. The thing is, a lot of our listeners are going to be fresh out of their religion. They're going, there's a lot, and I remember back in the day when, like, my brain was still wrapped.
Is that your car?
You know,
you guys can't park here. I know other people are, but what just happened, that's exactly why they don't allow parking right there.
It takes a minute.
Yeah, I want to save you a ticket.
Programmed in, and it's like, and there are these moments in the early days when it's like, how will I get by reporting on that focused on allegations that the Cuomo administration provided false information on those nursing home deaths to the Justice Department. And then State Attorney General Tish James, rock star, conducted an investigation that resulted in a public report that was released last week. And that
also, Tish James, does she have a Patreon I can subscribe? Would she give me bonus content? Like, oh, here's some extra indictments.
I can think of a few. Yeah, I can think of a few that should be only for patrons. That report, which got a lot of the public attention, concluded that Cuomo had sexually harassed 11.
You should or shouldn't come out. We have got a really simple, beautiful flow chart. And we've got other resources to back it up. I think you'll find that flow chart really helpful.
Ride in the bike lane.
But the main thing is, you are probably a conflict. You're probably a conflict avoider. So
you're going the wrong way.
You just have to decide which
wrong way.
Rather than just knee-jerk, not dealing with it.
You're in his way.
That gets you in trouble.
Okay. I'm very much.
I mean, it's all part of the business trip, I guess. So I don't know legally if this is going to be successful, but honestly, this feels like a death blow to the ministry itself. Because no matter what they're doing, no matter how many people
just pulled into the bike lane
away from it, how many people.
You, pretty chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, we love you. And our pretty chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang loves us too. Hi, everybody go on chitty chitty weedy pants. Bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, our plans go hand in hand. Bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, our fine for standard. Chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, chitty bang bang, yeah!
Oh, a ramp. Everyone hates you.
Because of the nature of how pregnancy works, or is it more morally and ethically right and for you a good choice to say, like, I only want 2 days this time around, I'm gonna keep the strong ones? That's not an easy choice either, but it's a choice I would probably make. I do not want to have like a parade out of my vag, but I'm so sorry I said vag on this, that was inappropriate. But anyway, the point is, like,
footage from this idiot who posted his insurrection at the Capitol. I will be the first to donate $5, $10 to help get this thing on air so he can use it, because it's public domain.
That was prettiest. Your lights aren't on. Why would you call me in when there's 2 lanes? Oh, you can do it. I believe in you. Oh my God, widest space in the world.
About the criminal indictments against his company and his chief financial officer. They go
Race
after
to that red
good,
light.
hard-working people
You win.
for not paying taxes on
Hawaii when large sections of the continent are on fire. Despite being in a serious financial
Not your light.
and having to deal with maskless ding-dongs, I feel
You're not smart.
surprisingly well. As a former mainstream Protestant who went through a Wiccan Google, show me abortion. The other app that I wanted to talk about was created by a man.
Brakes. How the fuck do you not have your lights on?
Is people adhering to the tradition of being a reputable defense lawyer who will not participate.
No, I mean, we always review, but we've always said that you know, especially at the beginning, we shouldn't penalize drivers for doing what they're paid to do, which is race. And to me, I mean, it was 50-50 there. It looked like Max didn't have to turn in when he did. Lewis could have been a bit further to the right, but to me, 100% racing inside.
Meanwhile,
Good job.
you're in the pit lane. The 2 cars have both made up places. Is there a need at all to change tyres, to think about a different strategy after what your team has been a decent start?
Yeah, we've had a good start here, and if we can repeat it, wouldn't that be nice to move up a little bit further?
I'm sure there will be a lot of celebrations at HQ tonight. Not far to go either. We'll be back with you.
Don't you love that?
Enjoying more delicious food than you ever have if you've never tried it. So go to HelloFresh.com.
Oh, you better not be trying to turn left.
OA14 and use the code OA14 for up to
Oh my
14
God.
free meals plus shipping.
What an
One more time, that's
idiot.
HelloFresh.com.
He is barely my assholes.
Oh my god. Seriously? This is the dumbest thing ever. Oh my god. Why? You're a fucking idiot. Go. Wow, that is such a smart... You're in the street. You're so cool. Great insult. Let's go. Wow. You're incredibly mature. That's incredibly mature. Good job.
Yep, your mom loves
You're so smart. We're in 5th grade. Cool. Bye.
What did you even do?
You parked in the travel lane.
I'm parked on the side with my emergencies on.
What does that mean?
That it was for 5 seconds.
No, it was long enough for everyone to miss the light.
I actually have proof of that. It was 1 minute. You pulled it
Okay,
30 seconds
that's
later.
not an excuse. Bye.
A few inches later.
Butt hurt much? Oh, and then they turned left illegally. Oh my God.
I think that's a great. That's something to celebrate. That we can see that we finally can get rid of that bullshit.
The way you pulled in makes me wish your dad pulled out.
Extra thing.
What are you doing?
It costs you 10% of your income and delivers exactly nothing. Right. Or exactly little. It certainly doesn't deliver anything supernatural the way they promise. Right.
Hey, nice parking spot. That's a bike lane.
Yeah. And I'm like,
See, they get it.
How grateful I am to these disaster team guys. And every time I see them, I'm just like effusively, thank you so much for saving my house.
Take your time.
Yeah, and putting in so much effort and so much work. It's hard work, and it's dirty work, and they're there doing it.
Oh my God. Brilliant. Fucking brilliant. What's the yield? Flew out.
This, of course, set off a firestorm, and they sued, and it went all the way up to the Court of Justice of the European Union.
God. Lazy parking!
The ruling has now come down.
You gonna do it? No. Following lines. So hard. Need a degree to understand that shit. Turn your lights on. You too. Thank you. You too. Ow. That's a nice parking spot.
Yep, we're moving.
Experience Network shows. Most of them we take some live calls, some of them we don't. But what it does is it leads to a lot of different conversations, and people have a different perspective on those different conversations, and some of them may be the sorts of conversations that you're not even aware of. So, as is
nice
one of
turn
my
signal.
favorite news segments that we're doing on a regular basis.
The good black guy, but not the bad black guy.
And this is where this is the first of many moments when we know for a fact that this movie is not related in any way to reality. Because if those Karens had stopped at this and dialed 911, they very clearly would have just been yelling, "A black man tried to steal..."
Well, I will sign up for that shit earlier than a COVID vaccine, my friend. So now the cops are here asking him questions, and this is where Alex Kendrick first shows up. And
no one in the
I just wanna say
car.
that one of the weird consequences of doing
They know that the courts are stacked now in their favor.
Yep.
They're pushing through all these ways of banning. It's just to ban abortion. That's all they want to do is ban it. So, like, they say it's a heartbeat law. They say